Here I have an assembly of parts that I have set up with a contour mill operation around each of the parts' perimeters. If I run the simulation, we can see that the tool will go through the material, leaving the part floating. In CAMWorks 2020, we now have the option to do tab cutting on the contour mill operations. On the Contour tab, I can check the Tab Cutting checkbox to enable tab cutting. Here, I have the option to select which feature I am applying these settings to. I can even apply the settings across all the features in the contour mill operation. I will start with this first irregular boss feature that machines around these four middle parts of the assembly. The tab settings define the length and the thickness of the tabs. For these tabs, I want a length of 25 millimeters and a thickness of 10. I will set the number of tabs to 5, and as I set these, there is a preview in the graphics area. I can control the individual placement of the with this offset setting. This lead-in, lead-out setting controls how the tool will act around each tab. For this part, I want the tool to feed over the tab section. I can set the tab settings for the two outer parts of the assembly. I will set the length to 35 millimeters and the thickness to 12 millimeters. The number of tabs to 2, and then here the lead-in, lead-out to retract to clearance. Now, when I regenerate the toolpath, the tabs are automatically placed in the toolpath. The toolpath simulation shows the parts staying in place in the stock.